Well, if you're leaving for work in the morning and you have a problem with your car, it won't start, there could be all sorts of reasons. Here to tell us why is Jim Champion, the auto guy.
It's bound to happen sooner or later. You get in your car and it just won't start. Here's some of the main reasons why that happens. If there are no lights at all on the dash when you turn the key, you should start by taking a look at the battery. Loose or dirty connections could be causing your no start problem. So get the cables cleaned up and tightened before going any further. When you hear a rapid fire clicking sound from under the hood when you turn the key, it's usually an indication of low voltage. Try charging the battery or jump starting it to get the vehicle started. If the dash lights come on and you don't hear any sound when you turn the key, it could be a neutral safety switch that's designed to prevent the engine from starting when it's in gear. Try carefully shifting the vehicle into neutral and see if the engine will start. If so, replacing the neutral safety switch is usually what's needed. If the lights on your dash are on and you're hearing one click from under the hood, you might have a starter that's acting up. If you can reach the starter under the hood, you can have someone inside hold the key in the start position while you take something and tap on the side of the starter. Sometimes that'll kick that starter motor in and get the engine going. If you're going to try that, just make sure that your arms are out of the way of any pulleys and belts that are under the hood if the engine does start. Many newer vehicles have push start buttons and they can give you trouble as well. Anything that interrupts the signal from the fob can cause a no-start condition, even aftermarket alarm systems and radar detectors. If the key fob itself is acting up, many times there's a reset procedure for it, such as putting it in the slot inside the dash or even laying it over the top of the button itself and it'll reset. Now you can check with the dealership to see what the reset procedure is for your vehicle, or even search online because you can find it there. If your vehicle's cranking like crazy and it just won't start, there's a good chance it's the fuel pump in your gas tank that's acting up. Most times a mechanic needs a fuel gauge and some diagnostic time to confirm a fuel pump problem. But if your vehicle has been taking a long time to start recently, there's a pretty good chance that the fuel pump needs to be replaced. Those are just a few of the possible reasons why your vehicle won't start, but there's other possibilities like spark plugs or even a broken timing belt. The main thing to remember is if any of these tips help you get your vehicle started, you want to get it into the shop right away and get it checked out because the problem is probably not going away. For WWT 6 News, I'm Jim Champion, the auto guy.
Some good information, Jim. If you want to ask him a question, you can always send your suggestions directly. His email address is jim@charliegraham.com.